I'm Jane Lee. In today's class, we're going to meet Delaney. Delaney is in her 20s and she's a medical assistant. She also works at her father's restaurant, La Casa de los Alambres in Vista, California. Delaney is very interested in Korean culture. After the interview with Delaney, we'll be reviewing some words and expressions that were used during the interview. Hope you enjoy the video. So today I'm visiting #1 Mexican restaurant in Vista.
La Casa de los Alambres.
Thank you. And I'm with the owner's beautiful daughter, Delaney
Delgado.
Let's start the interview now. Tell me a little bit about yourself.
Hi, my name is Delaney Delgado. I've been here at La Casa de los Alambres for 10 years now. And this is a family-owned business. My father is the owner of La Casa de los Alambres.
Does he pay you?
Yes, he does.
Good. And do you maybe do a little bit of decoration yourself with your mom?
Yes, my mother is the one that decorated the back right here. He also has bought these from Mexico City, so everything's
Nice.
from Mexico.
So it's a real Mexican place.
Everything's from Mexico.
I come to this place every once in a while with my husband. And his favorite menu is Mexican alambre, and mine is Hawaiian style. What is the secret of your recipe? Why do you think it's so popular?
We believe our restaurant's really popular because we use fresh products. We don't use canned food or anything to that extent. And then some of our stuff comes from like Tijuana. So some of our sauces that we do add to the alambres come from Tijuana. You can get them here, but they don't taste the same.
Have you ever tried maybe Korean food by chance? Yeah? What have you tried?
I've tried the Korean barbecue. It's really, really good. And the kimchi.
Yeah, kimchi. Oh my goodness.
It's really spicy.
Yeah, and Mexican food is very spicy too, right? So are you actually interested in Korean culture by any chance?
I am. Oh, sorry.
Don't worry.
I am actually like.
Oh my goodness! Can you have it closer to? Yeah, oh my goodness. She's also a BTS fan. And your favorite is the person on your phone?
Yes. Like J-Hope in English.
It's okay.
I forgot him.
So if BTS ever comes to your restaurant, which menu would you recommend them?
So we are known for our alambres. I would recommend them the alambre chilango. It comes with shrimp, bacon, carne asada, onions, chile serrano, and cheese. That one's one of my favorites as well. It's really, really good.
So do you think BTS will like the menu?
Oh, definitely.
Definitely.
So.
Good.
It's fresh.
I like it that you like confidence in your food. Major and choosing a career. Do you work here full time or do you do something else?
No, I'm actually a medical assistant.
Wow.
Yeah, I'm about to graduate in a couple of days, so I'll
Oh
be
my
done
goodness,
soon.
congratulations.
Thank you. And I want to go back to school for a different degree, maybe phlebotomy, I hope.
Oh
I'd
wow.
like to do again.
That's amazing.
Thank you.
아리라.
One of my dreams actually is to travel to Korea, definitely.
Oh wow.
I'm hoping within a year I'll be able to save up money to go.
Yeah, oh my goodness, you're gonna have so much fun. You know, Gangnam really has Gangnam style. It's a lot of fun. La Casa de los Alambres. So, when you crave Mexican food or you just feel like to check out something new, exotic in San Diego County, check out.
La Casa de los Alambres.
Yeah, they make awesome food. I know you're gonna love this place.
It's very mushy style.
Very good. Okay, everybody. Hola!
앞서 보신 영상에서 사용된 좋은 표현들, 유용한 어휘들을 정리해서 오디오 파일로 공개를 해드릴게요. 들으시면서 따라하시는 그 쉐도잉 훈련 꼭 해주세요. 네.
Paraguan OPIc Punch. Family-owned business. Family-owned business. Family-owned business. The one. The one. The one. Every once in a while. Every once in a while. Every once in a while. Favorite menu. Favorite menu. Favorite menu. Recipe. 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 Fresh products. Fresh products. Fresh products. Canned food. Canned food. Canned food. To that extent. To that extent. To that extent. At A to B. At A to B. At A to B. By chance. By chance. By chance. Be interested in. Be interested in. Be interested in. Taste. 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 Actually. 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 Comes with A and B. Comes with A and B. Comes with A and B. Recommend. 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 Be known for. Be known for. Be known for. Definitely. 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 Have confidence in. Have confidence in. Have confidence in. Work full time. Work full time. Work full time. Be about to. Be about to. Be about to. Graduate. 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 Travel to. Travel to. Travel to. Within. 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 Save up money. Save up money. Save up money. Have fun. Have fun. Have fun. Crave. 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 Check out. Check out. Check out.